In this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add the MACD indicator on XM chart. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your XM chart and go to indicators here. Click on it. At the search bar, type MACD. As you can see, this is the MACD. Now click on it. And as you can see, this is our MACD. If you want to make changes to it, all you have to do is click on it like this. And you will see the gear icon here. Click on it, and you have here the settings. If you want to change the colors, go to style, and you will see here all the colors. If you want to change, for example, this red color, go to color tree and choose the color you want. For example, yellow, as you can see. If you want to change the green, go to the green here and change it, for example, to blue. If you want to change the color of these moving averages here, go to, for example, the MACD is blue, click on it, and let's change it, for example, to, let's choose red. And the other one, signal, I will change it to, let's say, blue, as you can see, or let's say this one. After you finish, click on OK. And as you can see, this is your MACD. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.